Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are spending the day at Bird Paradise Singapore for a family day out. Bird Paradise! As a working mom of 4, my days are usually full of deadlines and little ones needing me. But today, I wanted to share with you how I slow down, enjoy nature and find little moments of wellness with my kids. The first thing you notice when you walk in is just how huge and open it feels. It almost feels like it's stepping into another world. My kids were instantly captivated, and honestly, so was I. Kids enjoyed watching the different kind of birds they can see, and of course they love the water play the best, and it gave me a chance to just pause and soak in their joy.
Why you scared?
As a working mom, I'm used to rushing from one thing to another. But here, I was reminded that nature has a way of slowing us down. Just listening to the birds, watching them soar, it's a reminder that wellness can be as simple as pausing, breathing, and being present. Outings like this gives us more than just beautiful sights. They give us space to bond away from screens, away from the usual routine. For me, that's one of the most important parts of wellness, creating memories with my children that we will all hold on to. And then the siblings start fighting in the middle of everything. But wellness for me here means choosing patience over shouting. It means remembering they are still learning how to express themselves, how to be siblings. So I breathe and remind myself I'm still learning too. Just as birds rise with the wind, I pray my kids soar high, chasing dreams with grace and guided by faith, yet always finding their way back home. At the end of the day, I leave Bird Paradise feeling lighter, calmer, and grateful. Wellness doesn't always mean going far or being alone. It can be right here, in the simple experiences we share with family. Thank you so much for joining me on this family day out. See you in the next one. Till then, take care.